How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So some of you guys have been asking if ExpressVPN is owned by China. I'm not sure where you guys got that information, but a quick Google search will tell you that as of September 2021, ExpressVPN is owned by Cape Technologies, a United Kingdom-based adware platform. And Cape Technologies owns ZenMate, they own CyberGhost, they own Private Internet Access, and a whole bunch of other software companies. So it's a pretty huge corporation. It's not owned by China. In fact, ExpressVPN is one of the only VPNs that works in China very reliably. So yeah, if you're looking for a VPN that focuses on anonymity and privacy and has a strict no-logs policy, with so many independent audits to prove that they do uphold the integrity of their no-logs policy, ExpressVPN is a great option, and it's one of the only VPNs that consistently works in China. So yeah, there's your answer. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs to bypass censorship firewalls, specifically the Great Firewall of China. So if you guys are interested in ExpressVPN, be sure to check the link in the description for a special discount. So feel free to take advantage of that while it lasts. And you'll also find a full review if you'd like to take a look at the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.